I'll be right there, babe.
Take your time. You won't have long anyways.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Of course. Enjoy.
Tonight, it's gonna be a very special night.
Well, cheers, my love.
Well, before I forget, I have a surprise for you. Come here, follow me.
But what are you doing?
I thought maybe we would do something different tonight.
Like what?
Why don't I just show you? Why don't you go ahead and get comfortable in the middle of the bed? I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
Don't you worry.
What do you have there?
First, I'm gonna need you to close your eyes.
Why?
Just humor me.
Go. I'm not sure about this.
Don't worry, my love. Just relax.
Go. I'm not sure I'm comfortable with this.
Do you trust me?
I do, but
Then you don't have anything to worry about. Tonight, I'm gonna take care of you.
what if you try something else?
Come on, Talia. This will be fun.
Go. Oh, you are not looking too good. Please unlock me.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Go, please don't do this.
I just got a little lightheaded. That's all. Now, where were we?
Go. No. Please don't do this. No. Where did you put the key? Go. Get me off of this house. Go. Go. Are you alright?
Yeah,
Go. Baby, please answer me. Go. Go. Tracy, baby, is that you?
Well, what do we have here? Aren't you a sexy little minx?
This is not a head plant, okay? He's out cold, but the fool put me on cuffs. Come on, cuff me and take this thing off me.
Before we get down to business, can I get in bed with you? Where is the money?
What? Now's not the time. Let me go first, and when they'll get me money. JC, please don't say like this. Unlock me now.
This is some serious gear you guys have. I can't break through this.
It's not mine. Cole has to have the key. Check him.
Okay. They're not here.
Check the bathroom. He's got them out of the bathroom. Maybe the case is in there?
Okay.
Josie, hurry. These guys are worse.
Looking as fast as I can, woman.
Did you find them?
No, they're not here. What do you think they are?
I have no idea.
Talia, we're wasting time. Where is the safe? Talia, what's the code?
What? I'm not telling you the code until you let me out.
Oh, baby. I need you to help me so I can help you.
Josie, let's find the key and let me get out.
I just need you to give me the code. Maybe the keys are inside.
That doesn't make any sense. Let me help here first, okay? What's the problem?
Shut up! Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Baby, I'm sorry. I just need to get out. Please.
Enough. You're either going to give me the code or you're going to take your last breath.
Josie, it's me. You love me.
None of that matters. If I do this, the police will think Cole did it when he found out about your lover.
No, you're wrong. You can't do this.
Give me the code!
I won't give it to you, okay? Let me go. It's 8008. 8008.
That wasn't so bad. Or hard, was it? Stay here. There's nothing here.
What do you mean there is nothing here?
It's empty, except for a note.
Doesn't make sense. It can't be empty. What does the note say?
You cheating wench? Where are the diamonds?
I have no idea.
Hello? Yeah, it was me who placed the call. There's a burglary happening at my house. Yeah, I'm fine. The address is 276 Peach Street. It's the one with the black shutters. You can't miss it.
Oh, thanks God, you're awake. This woman is trying to rob us.
Oh, Talia. Such a beauty, but missing some brains. I knew what you were plotting all along. I just didn't think that your accomplice would be such an idiot. You know, the antidote for what you slipped me was right beside you all along.
Listen, man, no harm, no foul, right? You have to call off the cops. This was just a big misunderstanding.
Did you really think you were gonna get away with this? You try to steal from me and you pay the price. I'm sure they'll love you in prison.
Baby, please. This was all a mistake. She manipulated me into doing this. I see it now. I love you, Cole. Please let me go. Go.
The saddest part is that I would have given you the world had you just asked. But instead, you decided to steal from me with that street rat. You could have had it all. But now, you have nothing.
I'm sorry. Please help me. I can change, I promise.
Well, you know what? I guess this was a very special night after all. Happy anniversary, darling.
Cole, please, don't leave me here. Cole!